To service or replace the bypass poppet on V20, you will need a 10mm hex wrench, grease, gloves, and an O-ring removal tool. Start the process by turning the pump off and disconnecting the pump from power. Using a 10mm hex wrench, unscrew the bypass plug from the pump and remove the bypass poppet assembly. Use care as the parts are under spring tension. V20 fuel pumps manufactured before October 17, 2025 have a separate spring and bypass poppet. V20s manufactured on or after October 17, 2025 have a cartridge poppet. Inspect the O-rings for damage or wear. If replacement parts are needed, they can be purchased through a local distributor or ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of the pump with your smartphone. Before reinstalling, remove the O-rings and coat them lightly with grease. If the poppet components are fouled, wipe them with a clean cloth. Then reinstall the O-rings and reinsert the bypass assembly into the pump. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.